Welcome to the spectacular world of Thousand Vlogs. Siam Discovery is a unique, innovative lifestyle mall in Bangkok, offering immersive shopping, dining, and entertainment experiences across 7 themed floors. Siam Discovery, located at 190 Phaya Thai Road in the Siam area of Bangkok, is part of the Siam Piwat Group and is directly connected to Siam Center and Siam Paragon malls. Opened in 1997 and renovated in 2016, it was reimagined as the Exploratorium, a hybrid retail destination blending specialty and multi-brand stores with interactive experiences. The mall spans 40,000 square meters and emphasizes a creative, story-driven shopping environment where visitors can explore trends, design, and lifestyle products. The mall is designed as a retail laboratory with an open layout and minimal barriers to encourage exploration. Japanese design company Nendo contributed to its futuristic and aesthetically pleasing architecture. Each floor, called a lab, focuses on a specific theme, offering curated experiences in fashion, technology, homeware, and creative activities. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Accessibility. The mall is easily accessible via BTS SkyTrain Siam Station and MRT Subway National Stadium Station, with pedestrian walkways connecting to neighboring malls. It is also reachable by taxi or tuk-tuk. Nearby attractions. Siam Discovery is in the heart of Bangkok's shopping and entertainment district, close to Siam Paragon, Siam Center, Siam Square, Jim Thompson House, and Bangkok Art and Culture Center. This makes it convenient for visitors to combine shopping with cultural and leisure activities. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.